Classic cars have a way of taking us back in time, back to the era when design, power, and presence truly mattered. In today's journey, we'll explore 10 vintage icons, each priced under $10,000. From luxury Cadillacs to the legendary Mustang, every car tells a story of craftsmanship, nostalgia, and the thrill of the open road. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just beginning your search, these machines prove that timeless style doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. Let's dive into the world of affordable classics that still turn heads and spark passion. 1. 1972 Cadillac Eldorado, $4,900. Let's start with the 1972 Cadillac Eldorado, a front-wheel drive luxury coupe that still turns heads today. This one has about 41,000 miles and comes with Cadillac's famous 500 cubic inch engine, one of the largest production engines ever made. The car starts and drives but needs a new fuel line, so it's a project that requires some mechanical attention. Compared to other early 70s luxury cars, the Eldorado feels more advanced because of its front-wheel drive layout, which made it surprisingly stable on the road for its size. Maintenance tip: for cars like this, the fuel system is often the first area that needs refreshing, especially if the car has been sitting. Replacing fuel lines, filters, and even considering an upgraded carburetor can make a huge difference in reliability. A fun fact: the '72 Eldorado was the last of Cadillac's truly massive coupes before the energy crisis forced downsizing later in the decade. 2. 1967 Buick Skylark Coupe, $10,000. Next up is the 1967 Buick Skylark Coupe. This car runs a 5.6-liter V8 and has about 21,000 miles. The seller mentions some common issues: faded paint on the roof and trunk, and overheating in traffic, which likely points to a cooling system that needs attention. Compared to other GM midsize coupes from the late 60s, like the Chevy Chevelle or Pontiac Tempest, the Skylark has a slightly more refined ride, often chosen by buyers who wanted comfort along with muscle. Maintenance tip: overheating problems are common in classics. A coolant flush, fresh hoses, and even upgrading to a modern aluminum radiator can solve most of those issues. From a market perspective, Buick Skylarks tend to be undervalued compared to Chevelles of the same era, which makes them a smart buy if you want classic GM style without the Chevelle price tag. Three. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro, $7,800. Now let's talk about the 1981 Chevrolet Camaro, priced under $8,000. This example has a 350 engine with a turbo 350 transmission. It's described as running and driving great, with a nice cam setup that gives it that classic muscle car chop at idle. Compared to the second-gen Camaros from the early 70s, the 81 is lighter and more affordable, but still offers the same muscle car charm. The aftermarket support for Camaros is massive, which makes parts easy to find and customization limitless. Maintenance tip: always check the suspension and subframe on these cars. Rust and worn bushings can turn a good deal into an expensive restoration. This particular Camaro is also already fitted with a new exhaust system, which saves you some money right away and gives it a deeper tone that enthusiasts love.
4. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, $9,000. Moving on, here's a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am with the original 6.6-liter V8 and about 69,000 miles. If you grew up watching Smokey and the Bandit, this is the kind of car that probably made you fall in love with muscle cars. It runs and drives great, but it will need a full-body restoration and repaint. Rust and paint fatigue are common on late 70s GM cars, so it's not unusual. Compared to its sibling, the Camaro, the Trans Am often had more aggressive styling with the iconic Screaming Chicken hood decal. Maintenance tip: if you're restoring one of these, always budget for bodywork. Mechanical parts are easy to find, but good body panels are getting harder and pricier.
From a collector's standpoint, clean Trans Ams are climbing in value, so even a rough one at this price could be a smart long-term investment. 5. 1963 Chrysler 300, $9,000. Finally, we have a 1963 Chrysler 300 two-door hardtop. This car has 83,000 miles, its original 383 motor, and has been stored indoors since the mid-1980s. For a car of this age, the seller notes that the trunk, floors, and frame are very solid, which is a huge plus because structural rust can kill a project. The Chrysler 300 series in the early 60s was Chrysler's attempt to combine performance with luxury. It wasn't as raw as a muscle car, but it had serious V8 power and upscale styling that made it stand out at the time. Maintenance tip. Since this car has been stored for so long, fuel delivery is the main concern. The current setup runs off a temporary jug under the hood, so replacing the fuel tank and lines would be priority number one. What makes this car special is its originality. Cars like this, mostly untouched, still carrying their original engines, are increasingly rare, and that adds value even if they need a little work to get road ready. 6. 1977 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, $7,500. The 1977 Coupe de Ville embodies Cadillac's reputation for unmatched luxury during the late 70s. With only 56,000 original miles, this survivor still carries its factory originality, a rare sight for a nearly 50-year-old car. The de Ville was Cadillac's answer to refined American cruising, built with comfort and quietness in mind. Compared to its rivals like the Lincoln Continental, the Coupe de Ville had a sleeker body line and smoother ride thanks to Cadillac's advanced suspension tuning. A car like this is ideal for collectors who want authenticity. Preserving its originality with careful maintenance, especially on its carburetor and fuel delivery system, will keep this beauty running for decades. 7. 1976 Chrysler Cordoba, $5,700. The Cordoba was Chrysler's bold step into the world of personal luxury, competing directly with GM's Monte Carlo. With under 56,000 miles, original paint, and even the factory top, this Cordoba is a true time capsule. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 paired with a smooth automatic, it still offers strong highway cruising. Unlike many classics that have been heavily modified, this survivor retains its soul, right down to the CB radio and original paperwork. Collectors love the Cordoba because it represents 70s Americana in its purest form. Keep an eye on body seals, electrical systems, and fuel lines. Small preventative care will preserve its originality and value for years. (8) 1979 Cadillac DeVille, $8,900. The late 70s DeVille continued Cadillac's dominance in the luxury market. This particular example has only 10,500 miles, a near-new car despite its age. The first owner, an older gentleman, stored it carefully during winters, which explains its impressive preservation. The DeVille of this era was larger than life, offering cloud-like comfort and a presence unmatched by its competitors. While it's not a high-performance car, it's a luxury statement on wheels. For owners, regular fluid checks and attention to its climate control system will be key to keeping this survivor ready for long drives or weekend shows. 9. 1979 Buick Regal, $7,000. The Regal was Buick's take on blending performance and comfort, sitting between Chevrolet's Monte Carlo and Oldsmobile's Cutlass. This example runs strong with a new transmission, freshwater pump, and upgraded fuel system. The addition of 20-inch rims adds a touch of modern styling, though purists may prefer original wheels. The Regal's 4.9-liter V8 is reliable, but thrives with consistent oil changes and carburetor cleaning. What makes the Regal unique is its balance. It's not too big like a Cadillac, yet not too plain like an entry-level Chevy. A perfect starter classic for someone stepping into the world of vintage cars. 10. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, $10,000. The 1966 Mustang is more than just a car. It's an icon of American automotive history. At $10,000, this inline-six coupe offers entry into the legendary Mustang heritage without the steep cost of a V8 fastback. While it wasn't built for drag racing, the inline-six makes it an affordable, reliable cruiser, perfect for weekend drives or local shows. The Mustang's simple design means parts availability is excellent, making maintenance far easier compared to other classics on this list. Owners love to personalize these cars, whether keeping it stock for originality or upgrading suspension and brakes for modern usability. Few classics hold as much recognition and timeless appeal as the Mustang. These 10 classics show us something important. Cars aren't just transportation, they're rolling history. Each one is more than steel and chrome, it's a symbol of its era, a memory preserved on wheels. From the elegance of Cadillac to the spirit of the Mustang, affordable icons like these remind us that passion for driving doesn't need to cost a fortune. So, which of these classics would you take home? The choice is yours, but one thing is certain. The road ahead is always more exciting when you're behind the wheel of a legend.